Hello people, and we're going to do a new game today. It's going to be Eyes, the horror game. We got some scary music playing. Let's see what this game is about. Just want to talk about the break-in business. I already checked it for you. You'll get at least 12 bags. I have the front door key. Oh hell. Anything else? Make a map. That place is huge. Logged out. Oh shit, guys, we're doing some drugs. So, alright, I'm gonna make sure that I'll say. So what are we supposed to do? Push the door to open. So we gotta find some money bags. There's one money bag. Alright, let's go to this door. Money bags. Collecting all these money bags. We gonna get rich. Fuck. Okay, is there any more money bags? I got all the money bags out of here. Go check in this room for some money bags. Hey, girls, any money bags in here? Thank you, girl. I'm just looking for some money bags. Thank you. Pleasure doing business with you. Oh, this is one scary ass room. You know, I had a huge nerdgasm today because I've always wanted to play World of Warcraft, and I found out today that it's free. And I've always wanted to play it. Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy fucking shit! What was that? Oh my god! I have goosebumps right now. You can't see it. All my fucking hair is standing up. Holy shit! Oh, okay. It doesn't. It's not like a jump scare. It makes me scream. It just gives me fucking goosebumps. Alright. I'm gonna come up the stairs first. Alright. Oh, so we use that button to run. Okay. Jesus. What's this? Basement. I do not like this one. Oh my god. That didn't scare me at all. Oh, a bunch of money bags. Found some money bags. Alright. You know what, I'm gonna save my running, because I don't think I have, like, unlimited running. That wouldn't make sense if I did. There ain't no money in the safe. What's the point of the safe then, if there ain't no money in it? Oh hell no, I ain't going down there. Alright, I just want to find the stairs. Then get the hell out of here. Oh shit. Oh my god. It's a fucking floating head. Jesus Christ, it's a floating head. Oh my. This is a really fucking scary game. I mean, on the other games, like, it's just the things running, popping up, made me scream. This gives me fucking goosebumps. That's even worse. If you think about it. Oh god. Here's one money bag. As soon as I start, I see a money bag. It's always a good sign. Why are them outlets upside down? Something's definitely wrong here. Dead giveaway. Dead giveaway. Dead giveaway. Knew something was wrong. Students played with like a wire into a black man's arms. Dead giveaway. Dead giveaway. Dead giveaway. Knew something was wrong. Students played with a white girl into a black man's arms. Dead giveaway. Dead giveaway. Knew something was wrong. It's a pretty little white girl. Dead giveaway. Dead giveaway. Why is there only one money bag on the floor? What sorcery is this? Fucking witchcraft fucking room. Throwing that shit out. Not no fucking witches coming after me. That fucking floating head. What the hell is that? A dragon chicken. Dragon chicken. Dragon chicken. Dragon chicken. Oh god. It's a dragon chicken. The dragon chicken is coming after me. The dragon chicken. It is a dragon chicken. And that tongue, he's chicken again. Chicken born. Oh shit. Don't tell me they're gonna replace the witch with a fucking dragon chicken. That's gonna be funny. Actually, it won't be scary. It'll just be funny. Cause that would be the main enemy. That goddamn chicken dragon. Knew something's wrong. There's a pretty little white girl turned away into a black man's arms. Dead giveaway. Dead giveaway. Knew something's wrong. Something was wrong. So there's a pretty little white girl into a black man's arms. Dead giveaway. Dead giveaway. Oh! Dead giveaway. Dead giveaway. Alright, we almost had it that time. Almost. Well, I'm playing that again. I ain't gonna give up till I get all them 12 of my money bags. Dead giveaway. I'm gonna stop singing now. Sorry guys. Just want you to know I like singing. I have a strategy. No, wait, I have a better strategy. I'll get the ones down here first. That way the floating head lady can't come after me. Something was wrong. Oh shit! Fuck! Bitch. Keep giving me goosebumps. Alright, let me see. Is there any money bags in here? Money bag. I got one money bag. I got one money bag. I got one money bag. something was wrong. As soon as a pretty little white girl went to a black man's arms. Dead giveaway. Dead giveaway. Knew something was wrong. As soon as a pretty little white girl went to a black man's arms. We are being haunted by a dragon chicken. No, actually we're being haunted by the floating lady head. I shouldn't be making fun of her because she fucking gives me goosebumps. That room is just meant to scare the shit out of me because there's never anything in it. That chicken here. Did give away. Did give away. Something was wrong. So it's a pretty little white girl doing two black beans on it. Shit. Where's the bitch at? Bitch. Escape that bitch. Did give away. Did give away. Shit. Bitch, don't come in here. Bitch. Oh, I saw that red thing. I thought she was in here. Oh my god. Oh my god. She's gonna be in one of these rooms. She's gonna be in one of these fucking rooms. We are not doing hard. Cause she's gonna just get in goosebumps until I shit my pants. And that's not good if I shit my pants. Because I'm growing through puberty. And if I shit my pants, I'll lose pants. And pants are expensive when you get older. You know? It'll just cause a huge mess. Dead giveaway. I want to see that picture of the chicken dragon again. Chickenkin, chickakin, not a single sardine, Waldine, Polku, Wallakakas, Faldovakin. Oh fuck, hell no, I ain't going up there. There's some chicken dragon again. Chickenkin, Dova chicken, not a single sardine, Waldine, Volkul. Yes! Yes! Now we gotta get the hell out of here. Bitch, I got the 12 money bags. We're gonna be good as long as the floating head bitch don't come. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh shit, she's coming now. Bitch, where are you? Shit! We almost had it that time. Well, in the next video of this, I will attempt again. The next video is going to be Slender Chubbies again. And I'm not doing Slender Elementary because I don't think you guys enjoyed that one. But this one I'm going to do again because it gave me goosebumps, you know. Thank you for watching my video today. This was Krypton Gannon. Have a wonderful day, afternoon, or whenever the hell you're watching this, bitch. Bye.